So where do you even start with EV? Just that question alone can be a daunting prospect. When considering electric for the first time, there's definitely a different way of thinking about your motoring needs compared with combustion engine vehicles. It's not difficult, just different. And it starts with selecting the best EV for you. And when you think about it, you would consider all these lifestyle and commuting needs when looking at any new vehicle, be it EV, petrol or diesel. It's just how you apply these considerations to electric vehicles that differs. It's simply a shift in mindset. One of the things people want to know when they first get their hands on an electric car is how they control battery charging. In the Enyaq IV, everything you need is in the infotainment system. Now, to launch the charging menu, you select the charging icon in the main menu. The first thing you see is the current state of charge at the bottom of the screen, and the sliding axis is used to set your desired charge level. There's also information on charging speed and estimated time to a full charge, particularly handy if you're fast charging at a motorway service station. Another neat feature is the locations function. Here we go. A big difference between electric and internal combustion engine cars is that you recharge when you're not using it. Now that takes a little bit of time to get used to, and this function really helps. Choose a profile and you can personalize settings. You can choose activation, the days of the week the car will be charged, even departure times. You can even choose whether the timings are set for charging or a predetermined aircon temperature, or both. It's easy, it's intuitive, and it really helps you get into the EV way of thinking.